Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the name Amelia in depth. First, the definition. The name Amelia means a female given name, meaning hardworking and industrious. Think of it simply as a name that reflects diligence and effort. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. The name Amelia traces back to the Germanic word amal, meaning work or labor. Over time, it's been used by European cultures since the medieval period. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use the name Amelia in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The name Amelia has been popular across many cultures for centuries. Correct example 2. Amelia decided to pursue her dreams with great dedication. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to the name Amelia my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using the name Amelia correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. The name Amelia means a female given name, meaning hardworking and industrious. It comes from the Germanic root amal, meaning work, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with the name Amelia down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.